All right, here we guys go. We're taking the old fixture off, but prior to setting up, we had to disconnect the power. So we're using flashlights right now, and I'm lining them up. I'm gonna take off the old one and simple as setting up the new one.
Okay, the light one is neutral. So sometimes it comes on. The electricians put it on red también. Oh, you can't cover.
Yeah, I'm ready. I got it.
So now we're putting the hot.
It's right. It's on this side right there.
Perfect.
We set up the dock here, and all we have to do is dock our controller, and we won't lose it. All right. You do need the controller. Unfortunately, you do need it, and it has batteries. It came with batteries too. So, all right, now it's become super dark outside. We're gonna do the control. We're gonna do the night mode. Look at the night mode. Completely, almost darkness. Not too much. I mean, it's okay. If you want to turn it off, you could. But right now, we're gonna go back to the lighting. We're gonna change the tone light. All right, tone to a different tone. There's 3 tones, if you guys can see it. So we got this one, we go back to the original one. Now you could dim it down if you want, and then we have the fan on, but you can always turn them all off, and then we could turn them all on. So we're gonna turn the whole off completely, and look how dark it is in here. It is completely dark. And then we turn it back on, and then the fan comes on too. So we could do the fan if you want. We're gonna do number 1, and then we start the fan out, and then you could set up different modes. It's pretty simple. I like how we completely closed the room out and it turned on. Very simple to set up. Like it so far. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.